Let's take a look at how to set the Breakout EDU multi-lock. Developed uniquely by Breakout EDU, this lock allows users to create more flexible combinations with removable, interchangeable wheels. When purchasing a kit, this lock comes with 2 multi-lock bodies and all the wheels you'll need to create letter, number, shape, color, or directional combinations. The 2 multi-locks themselves are pre-equipped with alphabet wheels and directional wheels. The default combination for the alphabet lock is AAKUA, and the default combination for the directional lock is all the arrows pointing to the right. First, turn all the wheels to these combinations so that the protruding knobs are lined up on the line on the bottom of the lock. Then pull up on the lock shackle. Twist and remove the metal piece on the free end of the lock and remove the 5 wheels. You'll notice that there is a red line underneath the wheels you removed. This is where you will place the rings back onto the lock body. Any letter, number, shape, color, or direction wheel that slides on top of that red line will become part of the combination. Place the wheels back onto the lock, starting with a gray starter wheel. Make sure that the other parts of your combination are also on the red line and are all facing the proper direction. When setting the lock, it's important to note that the first wheel is different from the other wheels. The first wheel will have teeth that stick out around the left side. Newer multi-locks will also come with a gray starter wheel to make it easy to identify. That starter wheel must be placed into the open lock first, and be sure to only use a starter wheel in the first slot. Putting wheels on backward or upside down can cause the wheels to be too wide for the lock, and therefore the end cap will not fit on. Slide the remaining wheels upright and tooth or notched side in onto the lock with the letter, number, direction, shape, or color you would like to appear in the combination sitting atop the red notches of the lock. The combination, and therefore the red notches, should align with the line on the bottom of the lock. Place the metal cap back into place and turn it so that the lock is ready to close. Make sure that the rings don't shift while placing the cap back on, as this could change your desired combination. When you're ready to set up a game, place the lock on a box or on the hasp, reinsert the shackle, and scramble the wheels to lock it. During gameplay, we recommend making use of the lock's parking lot included in your kit. When you're finished playing the game, we recommend removing the multi-lock wheels after the game is finished. That way, you won't have to keep track of new combinations every time you play. You can store the wheels right on the shackle or place them in a bag or separate container for the next use.